We're very excited this afternoon. I think some of you were with us a couple of months ago when we launched the new Sun, and then when we introduced our flagship offer then, that was the Platform 50. This time, because of the success of that launch, the Plan for 50 launch, nag-level up na kami. Okay? And we're very happy to announce that Sun is now giving you the new plan, postpaid plan 599. Okay, so I think it's over here, postpaid plan 599, and if you look around, you'll notice that the Sun's postpaid plan 599 is the best in the market. Why? Okay, let's look at the inclusions first. Unlimited calls and texts. Meron ang Sun yan. 400 texts to other networks. Meron din ang plan 599 yan. Then we also have 400 MB of data every month. That's part of plan 599. And you get a free smartphone. At hindi lang yan. We are also giving our subscribers of plan 599 on top of the free phone a new Samsung tablet. Okay. What can be more wonderful than that? Diba? Pasok na pasok, plan 599. So that's our newest offer in the market, and that's the best plan 599 in the market, and we're so happy that we're launching it with our newest brand ambassador. Okay? We chose this guy because, siguro, a lot of you know him very well, no? This person is very real, okay? And he embodies the personality of the brand. He's very real, and from what we know of him, I work with his sister-in-law in the office. He's a very practical guy. Okay, I'm sure he will share with you more about him being practical. No? So we're very happy that for this particular product launch, we have our newest, and we're so proud of him because he's now part of the Sun family. His wife used to be with us also, Julian. Let me give you Mr. Ryan
for joining us this afternoon. And I'm very happy to share with you that I'm part of the Smart family now. The Sun Cellular family. Dating endorser din yung asawa ko ng Sun.
Big help na.
Naalala ko yung luma yung poster niya doon. Yung nakapulang damit siya.
Interplants ba yan?
Oo.
Interbuilding.
Yun yung dahilan kung bakit nabuo si Lucho, yung damit na yun.
Yung damit na yun?
Yes. Nakikita ko sa EDSA yun yun, dahil...
Pwede.
Ngayon, that we have a third one coming along, si Luna. It's very nice that I'm part of the Sun family and yung 599 plan pa na maganda because the third kid, always, nasabi nila, is a game changer in the family dynamics. Mas kailangan itong mag-isip na mabuti at maging practical sa mga bagay-bagay. And the plan 599 fits right into how we want to live our lives. Kasi ayaw naman natin mabitin. But we also have to be wise with our choices. Meaning, if I can get away with getting more back for my buck, I will always go for that choice. And yung 599, as Boss Joel mentioned kanina, hindi lang niya pinantayan yung iba pang plan 599 out in the market, kundi hinigitan pa. Eh, saan ka pa? Diba?
Saan ka na?
Yan, mismo. Para balik na. Ikaw ang nag-commercial mo siya. It's right there.
So I can't give particulars out.
Okay.
But before we left for our vacation, we just got back from our vacation from Europe, there were talks already. And with Noel, there was supposed to be a meeting which didn't push through. Pero when I got back, yun na, I found out that I have the Sun Cellular deal already, and then
wow.
So parang parang swerte nga nung pagdating ni Luna eh.
Oh.
So parang talagang pinaghahanda ako sa pangatlo ba.
And how was your European trip?
Oh, it was fantastic. It didn't turn out the way we expected because we wanted to go to Paris and London. But
Nag-Turkey kayo, tama ba?
yes, we ended up going from London to Turkey, and ganda. You know, London, of course, it's a constant.
Oo.
But Turkey was an eye opener for me and my wife because there's so many layers to it. Ang ginawa namin, nag-food tour kami. We had a walking tour of the city where we had 12 stops the whole day. Wala kami ginawa kundi kumain at maglakad the whole day. Galing eh, kasi may Greek, may Roman, may Mediterranean, may Asian, there's Eastern European, there's Slavic influences. Ang lalim nung kultura nila sa pagkain. And the next day, we went to a cooking school where we learned how to cook some of the more traditional Turkish meals. And we were brought around a particular neighborhood in Istanbul na yun, kilala namin yung spice makers, the bread makers. And then ang ending, we just ended up bringing home a lot of spices, a lot of bread, a lot of cheese. Hanggang ngayon, it's been a week, but there's so much that we brought home from Turkey that we're still enjoying. Yung knowledge ng pagkain.
Parang handa-handa na nga kayo